What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and that's a car music system. And I'm gonna run it in my home. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, how to use your car music system or old car music system, which you're not gonna use in the car, that you can use in your home for like home entertainment, what to say, garage music system or anything, whatever you want. So for that, you need a 12-volt power supply, at least of 5 amp. Here you can see it's a 12-volt, 5 amp out. So it's a 12-volt adapter. And here, this is the power connector for this system. You'll get different kind of connectors in the system, different system. Mostly comes with only one connector, but this thing has one connector for the power only and another connector for the speakers. Here you can see all the speaker wires are there, front two and the rear two. So here in this connector you'll find like 4 wires. The black one, obviously this will go to the ground, the negative one of the power supply, which is already connected. And another 3 you will get red, orange and yellow. So let's take a look here on the diagram of the system. Here you can see B plus for battery, antenna plus for antenna, and ACC plus is going to be connected to your like car key system, like that. When you turn on the keys, then you can use the system like that. So that's for ACC, but without that connection, this thing will not work. The B plus is going to the battery, the red one, of course. So if you connect the red one, the system is not going to work at all. And so you need to connect all these 3, B plus, antenna plus and ACC plus, all together to the power supply positive. As here you can see, this is the wire of the adapter, and one side is marked this white gray lines, that's the positive, and the other side is the negative. So here you can see the negative is already connected to the black wire of this socket, and the gray marked wire is connected to all these 3 wires right here, red, orange and yellow. So all these things need the power supply. If you miss one wire, the system is not going to work properly, and if you miss the red wire, this thing is not going to turn on at all. So all you need to do is connect all the 3 colors wire to the positive and black wire to the negative, which is already connected. Pretty simple. Now let me turn this thing on and let me show you how it works. So at the back here, I'm going to connect the power socket right there, and then the speaker socket right there. All right, now so these 2 are the speakers which are connected to this system, and now I'm going to turn this thing on. So as you heard the sound, it's pretty nice. As these are the Yamaha speakers, that's why the sound is much prettier. So that's the easy way you can use your car music system in home with any speaker, I guess. The bigger speaker, the good speaker you get, and you'll get good bass and all. And also you can add powered subwoofer with this thing in home music system. So in another video, I'm gonna connect the subwoofer and gonna check it out. So for now, this is it, just to show you how to connect your car music system in home. So this way you can use any type of car system, touch panel, single DIN, Sony, Pioneer, whichever you have. You can use it in your home just like this. So that's it. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends. So that's all for today. In the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.